We have opened a new project in Xcode 11, Beta 5. We named the project To-Do List, and selected the option SwiftUI. We will get our JSON data from JSON placeholder, a fake REST API. This endpoint returns a list of 200 to-do items. The JSON data looks like this. Create a to-do struct, to hold each to-do item, and make it conform to the codable and identifiable protocols. In the JSON data, the user ID and ID fields are integers, the title field is a string, and the completed field is a boolean. Add the properties that we want to decode using coding keys. Add a type alias for the array of to-dos. Now, create a class that will facilitate the downloading of the to-do items from the REST API. Call it ToDoDownloader, and make it conform to the ObservableObject protocol. Note that ObservableObject has replaced BindableObject, which was used in previous betas. Any property marked with the @published property wrapper emits changes, which will be watched by observers. Create an initializer. Get the URL from the endpoint string. Set up a shared data task on a URL session with this URL. In the completion handler, set up a do catch block. Guard against the returned data being nil. Try to decode, using the JSON decoder, on the to-dos type, from the data. Dispatch this asynchronous task to return to the main queue after it completes. If there is an error, print it out. Resume operation of the data task. Go to the content view. Use the observed object property wrapper to listen to changes in the to-do data, which was downloaded. Note that observed object has replaced object binding, which was used in previous betas. Remove the default text. Add a navigation view. List the to-dos from the to-do data, with their title text. Finally, add a navigation bar title. Build and run.